You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these phrases from French, meaning essentially you're welcome? In French, it literally means I praise you, but you would use it just like to say you're welcome. Somebody thanks you and you say you're welcome. Je t'en prie is how it is pronounced. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie, or in English, je t'en prie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.